Here's another reminder that road maintenance vehicles or city workers that are working on the side of the road with flashing lights on their vehicles are still considered official vehicles. And so in the city, the maximum speed we can pass them by at is 40, unless they have a sign posted on the ground that is telling us otherwise. In this case, the maintenance crew is replacing bulbs on the city light here, and so again, when you're passing by them, it's maximum 40, and in the highway it would be maximum 70 if there are no signs posted. Okay, so it doesn't have to be just an ambulance or a fire truck or police vehicle with flashing lights, but road maintenance vehicles as well. It's the same concept, a maximum 40 if you're passing by and they've got the flashing lights on top of their vehicles.